happen after forecast tonight. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
It has easily been a top 10 day today. Absolutely gorgeous. Temperatures remaining in the 70s, even reaching 80 degrees in some areas. Once again, absolutely gorgeous. We're tracking what to expect if you're going outside to see some fireworks tonight. You're going to be on the mild side. Temperatures only cooling down into the 60s with increasing cloud cover. Beautiful conditions to go out and enjoy some fireworks if you're going to see some tonight. A live look at the Yorkville Battery. Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar. We're dry in our area right now. We're still keeping an eye on some showers out to the west. Luckily, we have very low dew point, keeping those showers relatively dry out of our area right now. Currently, temperature is 74 degrees in the Utica-Warren region with sunshine across the board. Dew point is still very comfortable in the 50s. That'll keep keeping us dry for the most part as we head into tomorrow. So tonight, mild and mostly cloudy. Scattered showers and storms will return tomorrow. Tracking a very warm week ahead. Temperatures remaining in the 70s and 80s. Tonight, cooling down to the 60s. Have your full forecast for the week ahead coming up. Back over to you, Saira.
Thank you, Eric. If you were watching the
New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening. Welcome back. Happy 4th of July. Hopefully everyone has got the chance to go outside and enjoy the beautiful weather today. Temperatures in the 70s with sunny skies across the board. Here's a live look at our Cooperstown camera, and as you can see, just beautiful conditions. Everyone's enjoying the day outside. People got to see some parades as well. And the fireworks tonight, good news on the forecast as well. Temperatures in the 60s with increasing cloud cover, but still a beautiful evening this evening. Live look across state as well on New York State Mezzanine. As you can see out to the west, we are seeing increasing cloud cover out near Morrisville, but as you can see near Oppenheim as well, blue skies. We'll start to see increasing clouds from the west as we head into this evening. A live look at Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar. We're going to keep an eye on these rain showers up to the northwest. Now, because we have very low dew point in our area, these look to dry out before they hit our area this evening, but still keeping an eye on those rain showers as a front when moving from the west. Temperatures this evening, 72 in Inlet, 70 degrees in West Leyden, 74 degrees in Barneveld, 77 in Yorkville, 76 degrees in Clinton. Across the valleys, temperatures in the 70s as well, 78 in Worcester, 76 degrees in Milford, 73 in Cassville, almost 80 degrees, 79 in Eaton. The bigger picture, we zoom out a little bit. We have a high pressure that's slowly moving down to the south today. What this will be doing is creating increasing cloud cover. As you can see out to the west, still some rain showers out here. Now, this is a much more complicated system tomorrow. Two things could happen. Now, basically what happens is if this low moves, stays up to the north, this warm front will push up more to the north, creating a lot more hot and humid conditions with more rain showers to the north country as well and much more intense storms moving across the area. Now, the more likely scenario is this low pressure moves to the south. And what this does is it'll bring some scattered showers, warm temperatures in the upper 70s with a very few chances of pop-up storms as well. But still, this is the most likely scenario. We want to keep you updated in case the possibility of this front moving up towards the north. And our current outlook for severe weather, we are currently in the non-severe category. However, down to our south, they've already upgraded it up to a slight risk of severe weather. Now, currently right now, as we look ahead, this evening is looking at nice and dry temperatures in the 70s. We cool down to the 60s. And as you can see, with increasing cloud cover overnight, chance of rain showers, as you can see from that front, slowly moving into the north country. And we'll start moving into more scattered showers, partly cloudy skies to mostly cloudy skies tomorrow. As you can see, with this model, the front has moved further up to the north, so we're tracking temperatures rising up into the 80s. Scattered showers and storms possible later on in the evening before we look to dry out for the evening hours, heading into the later night for Wednesday, early Wednesday morning. Mostly cloudy skies, a few scattered showers to start out. We're looking much more drier with mostly sunny skies, temperatures rising into the 70s as we head into early Thursday morning. Here's a quick look at our rainfall accumulation outlook so far. Now, this can change very quickly because this will bring some scattered showers, but the overall amount totals could be between a quarter inch to half inch with locally heavy rainfall. We're currently at a level 1 out of 4 for excessive rainfall. So we're not expecting a very high chance, but still want to keep you updated with any new information on that. Now, looking ahead a week in advance for our Boilermaker outlook, we're tracking still sunny skies and temperatures in the 60s, looking ahead towards an absolutely beautiful day to enjoy the run as we look ahead. Tonight, cooling down into the 60s, mild and cloudy. Tomorrow, I want to enjoy that weather tonight because we're cooling or warming up into the 70s with scattered showers and storms possible, mostly cloudy skies. Our 7-day forecast after Tuesday, looking ahead towards temperatures in the 70s and 80s with mostly sunny skies for Wednesday and Thursday, tracking additional rain showers and storms for Friday. And the Boilermaker, once again, looks very sunny with temperatures in the 70s. We'll be right back.
Tonight, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Evening, an absolutely beautiful day across central New York. Temperatures are going to cool down into the 60s and 50s in some areas. We're looking to track much more cloudy conditions overnight. Here's a live look at a Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar. In our area right now, we are currently dry. However, take a look to the north. We are tracking the next weather maker for tomorrow, arriving into the North Country. We're expecting some rain showers in the early morning tomorrow, primarily for the North Country. Most of the rest of the area looks to remain dry, at least for the afternoon tomorrow. Right now, current temperature is 63 degrees in the Utica-Rome region. We're cooling down to the 50s tonight. Dew point is slowly rising. Humidity will be slowly rising as well. Mild and mostly cloudy tonight. Scattered showers and storms are possible tomorrow. We're tracking a warm week ahead. Tonight, cooling down to the 60s, mild and cloudy. I'm breaking down what to expect. We have new information on these rain showers as well as storms tomorrow coming up. Back over to you, Saira.
Thank you, Eric. If you were watching
Most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening and welcome back. Here's a live look at our CATV tower camera. As you can see in the background, a few fireworks are still going on in the city of Utica right now. Absolutely beautiful evening to see it. A bit on the cool side. We're cooling down a little bit quicker because a lot more cloud cover is still being delayed from the west. So because of the lack of clouds, temperatures start to cool down a lot quicker. Live look at your for battery, Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar. In our area right now, we are quiet for rain at this point. However, up to the northwest, this is our next weather maker. A warm front from the south will be bringing some scattered showers. It will be slowly moving into the North Country over the next couple of hours. The start of the rainfall looks to be expected in the early morning hours tomorrow. So if you're expecting beautiful conditions tonight, we're looking ahead towards dry conditions for the remainder of this evening. Around the clock tomorrow, we're going to start out on the cool side, rising from the 60s into the 70s and remaining in the 70s, possibly reaching the 80-degree mark. Now, this is a reason why I want to explain a little bit on what to expect for weather tomorrow, because temperatures right now could be in the 70s. They could be in the 80s as well. Now, wind speeds on the gusty side tomorrow as we're tracking a low pressure moving directly over our area. Now, around the clock, we're going to start out pretty much fine with a few scattered showers, mostly cloudy skies. We turn to more rain showers, more heavier rain showers. We head into the evening, early morning and early afternoon, I should say, and evening hours, and tracking additional rain showers and storms as we head into the late evening around 6 o'clock. Now, looking ahead, this is the complicated system we're dealing with right now. So high pressure is moving south out of our area. However, we have a warm front moving from the west over to our area, as well as a cold front from the south. And as like I said before, two things can happen tomorrow. Now, right now, there is a possibility, it is a higher possibility that low pressure will stay north. Now, this is bad news for us because if we have hot and humid air mixing in with this front, there's a lot of rotation in the atmosphere. This could cause some much more stronger storms. Now, this is unlikely, but still it is increasing in possibility. The stronger storms are possible to move into our area. The more likely chance is this low pressure moves further south. And what this does is it will bring a lot more rain showers with warm weather, not reaching the 80-degree mark, and the highest risk will just be excessive rainfall. Now, overall, the convective outlook right now, we are currently out of the severe categories for the time being. This could change as we head into tomorrow morning. Looking ahead on our Skycast tonight, we're cooling down to the 60s and 50s in some areas. It's already in the 50s in the North Country, 53 recorded in Old Forge right now. We're tracking additional showers in the early morning hours tomorrow. Mostly cloudy skies. You can see right here, temperatures can rise up into the 80s before a front moves through. Now, if this low pressure is further to the north, we can see much more severe weather possible in our area. Now, after that, scattered showers, mostly cloudy skies. Possible few scattered showers in early morning hours on Wednesday before tracking beautiful conditions with temperatures in the 70s with passing clouds. Our rainfall accumulation so far, we're looking in a quarter inch to half inch in some areas reaching above a half inch depending on the locally heavy rainfall. Tonight, mostly cloudy, temperatures falling into the 60s and 50s. Tomorrow, scattered showers in the early morning as well as mostly cloudy skies turn to scattered showers and storms in the afternoon and evening. Our 7-day forecast. After tomorrow, we're looking dry for Wednesday and Thursday for our next chance of rain showers. Looks to arrive on Friday. Our next weekend looks dry with temperatures in the 70s. Saira?
Coming up next, protest. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
It being an absolutely gorgeous day across central New York today. I would call it a top 10 day. Temperatures in the 70s with sunny skies across the board. We're cooling down to the 60s and 50s tonight. Mostly cloudy skies. There's a live look at York for battery. Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar. In our area right now, we are still dry. As you can see, there's a few rain showers out to the west that look to be hitting the ground. However, because we have such a low dew point, a lot of those rain showers are not hitting the ground. But our next chance of rain showers are primarily in the North Country for we're tracking our next chance of excessive rainfall as we head into tomorrow as well. Right now, current temperature is 61 degrees in the Utica-Rome region. We're going to cool down into the 60s and 50s tonight. Dew point slowly rising, humidity slowly rising as well as we head into tomorrow. Mild and mostly cloudy tonight. We're tracking scattered showers and storms tomorrow along with mostly cloudy skies, and a warm week is ahead. Temperatures averaging in the 70s and 80s tonight, cooling down to the 60s and 50s, mild and cloudy conditions. We have new information on what to expect for the scattered showers and storms tomorrow coming up. Back over to you, Saira.
Thank you, Eric. If you were
New
watching
York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening and welcome back. Here's a live look at our Cavite Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. And as you can see, a few fireworks are still going on across the Mohawk Valley. Hope everyone has been enjoying the 4th of July, a beautiful day to spend time outside with low humidity as well as sunshine across the board. Now tonight, we're tracking increasing cloud cover as well as a few rain showers. Live look for battery Storm Tracker 2 dopped the radar. As we can see some moisture in the air right now, a lot of this rainfall is not hitting the ground because we have very dry air right now. However, up to the north, this is the next chance of seeing rain showers primarily in the north country. You're going to see some rain showers primarily overnight and early tomorrow morning for tracking the next chance of excessive rainfall as we head into the afternoon and evening hours tomorrow. Now, looking around the clock tomorrow, we're going to warm up into the 60s and 70s, possibly reaching the 80-degree mark. Now, this is due to a low pressure moving into our area. More on that coming up in just a minute. Now, wind speeds are going to be the gusty wind speeds for tomorrow. Wind speeds between 10 to 15 miles per hour, especially in the evening hours. And looking ahead towards our weather grades, we're going to be pretty much on the mostly cloudy to a few passing showers in the morning hours, tracking increasing rain showers in the afternoon, and we're looking ahead towards a very rainy evening with a few chances of thunderstorms later on in the evening. Let's look ahead towards what to expect for the next couple of days. Starting out, we have a high pressure moving south out of our area. Now, this gave us a lot of clear weather over our weekend. Now, we are tracking a system out to the west. Now, this is bringing a warm front as well as a cold front. Now, this low pressure will be moving directly over our area. Now, two things can happen tomorrow, one being very likely, one being unlikely, but still possible. Now, this is a very unlikely scenario, but I still want to bring it up just in case, because this could bring some very nasty weather. Now, if the low pressure stays up to the north, what this means will be a lot of hot and humid conditions along with more excessive rain showers to the north country. And if this is much more higher up, we're tracking additional rain showers and storms. They could be on the nasty side. Now, this will be moving further down to the south right now with stronger storms possible. Now, overall, the most likely scenario is a low pressure stays to the south. Now, this means the temperatures will remain in the 60s and 70s, not reaching the 80-degree mark as we saw if that moved up further north. Now, what this means also is the highest risk would be excessive rainfall. Now, if this moves right over our area, we're tracking a lot of excessive rainfall primarily in the Mohawk Valley. Now, as we look ahead towards a convective outlook, this means is the possibility of severe weather, the yellow being much worse. Looking ahead towards the light green, it means we're in the non-severe category for severe weather for the time being. Take a look at our skycast. Tonight, we're cooling down into the 60s and 50s with mostly cloudy skies. Passing showers arrive in the north country primarily for the early morning hours as we head into the early morning as well. Now, temperatures on this model right here are going to rise up into the 80s, and then this brings a front moving through the area, possibly reaching some excessive rainfall. Now, overall, what this is showing is much more further to the north for the low pressure, but if this stays to the south, we could be seeing some excessive rainfall. Temperatures cooling down to the 60s, passing showers overnight into early Wednesday morning, temperatures rising into the 70s. A beautiful day on Wednesday for tracking additional rain showers we head into Friday. Now, rainfall outlook so far, this is what we're trending for right now. Excessive rainfall primarily in the Mohawk Valley, a little bit further north, but if this low pressure stays to the south, we could be seeing some additional excessive rainfall as well. Now, our Boilermaker outlook, this is way down the line, a really far outlook. We are still tracking temperatures in the 70s with sunny skies across the board. Tonight, lows in the 60s and 50s, mild and cloudy. Tomorrow, we're tracking additional rain showers in the early morning hours with scattered showers and storms in the evening. Our 7-day forecast, we look to dry up for Wednesday and Thursday. Beautiful conditions as we head into Friday. We're tracking additional rain showers and storms. The next weekend looks sunny and warm with temperatures in the mid-70s. Saira?
Thank you, Eric. Coming up next.